In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use your keyboard and mouse here on a console in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. As you can see, I currently am on Black Ops 7 and on the right side of my screen, so steps are actually super simple to go ahead and do this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is simply just plug in that keyboard and mouse directly into your console using a USB cable. And once you do plug them in, your console is going to ask who is using the keyboard. Select the account that you want to play on. At the very top of your screen, you're going to see an option up here that says keyboard and mouse has been connected. You can also notice that you'll be able to move your mouse around the screen like I'm doing right now. But to actually switch your input, you're going to need to go into your settings and go specifically into your quick settings right here. And then go into this controller settings on this sidebar. From here, you're going to see an aiming input device. Go ahead and change this to mouse. And then from here, go into your keyboard and mouse settings and go into your keybinds and you can adjust these however you would like. Whenever you're done setting up your settings and customizing it however you would like, go ahead and play a match. And since you're going to be using keyboard and mouse, the game's going to automatically place you in cross-play lobbies, meaning you're usually going to match with PC players as well. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.